Systems are looking optimal this morning. Nutrient levels within range.
The morning harvest cycle is ready to begin. Are the sensors calibrated for the optical sorters?
Sorting precision is at 99%. The color grading is perfect.
Batch 42 is cleared for dispatch. Maintain the cold chain at 5 degrees.
Adjusting nitrogen mix for the south sector. Flow rate is stabilizing.
The anthocyanin levels in the last batch were exceptionally high. Whatever you did with the nutrient balance worked. Aligning camera 3, the variance was off by 2 millimeters. Tracking codes are live. Logistics can see the batch in real time now.
Initiating night cycle. Sensors shifting to thermal monitoring.
We have exceeded the target yield by 15% today. The quality consistency is holding steady.
Begin the sterilization cycle on line 2. I want a full sensor diagnostic by midnight.
Shipment verified. Route this to the central distribution hub immediately.
Another flawless run. See you at dawn for the new harvest cycle. Morning cycle initiated. All sectors report normal pressure.
Foliage health is excellent. We are on track for a high anthocyanin harvest. Line 1 is sterile, ready to receive the first batch from the south sector.
Packaging rate is holding at 2,000 units per hour. Efficiency is optimal.
Temperature is locked at 4 degrees. We have a green light for departure.
Recovery cycle is complete. Pressure levels have returned to baseline.
The optical sensors are flagging even the micro bruises. This batch is incredibly clean.
New role initialized. Batch tracking is continuous. All data synced. The supermarket fleet is departing on schedule.
Resetting nutrient ratios for the afternoon growth cycle. pH levels are holding steady.
The anthocyanin density from the factory sensors matches our greenhouse projections perfectly. Our precision is spot on.
Lens clarity restored. The optical sorting tunnel is back to peak sensitivity.
Gripper pressure is optimal. Skin integrity is being maintained perfectly during the transfer.
From greenhouse to table, the journey is flawless. The standard has been set for the season.
Final logs for the day are uploaded.
Temperature and humidity are locked for the night cycle.
Sterilization cycle active. Line integrity is being maintained.
Label inventory is sufficient for the next 48 hours. Precision remains within spec.
Nutrient tanks are refilling. We'll be at full capacity before the dawn cycle.
Camera alignment is perfect. Rejection thresholds are calibrated for maximum yield.
All shipments for the 24th are cleared. Final quality standards have been met.
Morning calibration looks stable. Adjusting humidity to 85% for dawn.
Leaf temperature is optimal. The overnight transpiration cycle was perfect.
Aligning the infrared spectrum. I want every minor surface defect captured before sorting.
Throughput is at 100%. The robotic grippers are maintaining perfect pressure. Greenhouse sector alpha is cleared, preparing for the nutrient flush.
Sorting accuracy is holding at 99.8%. Calibration is stable. Pallet tension is within safety parameters. Clear for loading.